Hello students, today we'll discuss parabolas. This is a no calculator set. Question 1. Which of the following is the equation for the parabola shown above? So I know that the vertex form of the equation of a parabola is f of x a times x minus h whole squared plus k, where h comma k is the vertex. So here the vertex is 2 comma 3. So I know that my parabola should be of the form a times x minus 2 whole squared plus 3. But that doesn't help me because all the parabolas in the options are of this form. Okay, the other thing I know is that the leading coefficient determines the shape of the parabola. If the leading coefficient is positive, the parabola opens upward. And if it is negative, the parabola opens downward. So I know that the leading coefficient cannot be plus 2 or 1 by 2. So option C and option D are cancelled. Now, how can I find the right answer between A and B? I can use the y-intercept, 0, 1. So I'll put x as 0 and y as 1 in this equation. So 1 is equal to A times 0 minus 2 whole squared plus 3. So 1 is A times 4 plus 3. So 4a is equal to minus 2. So a is minus half. And so the leading coefficient is minus half, and therefore my answer is option B. Question 2. Which of the following could be the graph of x squared plus 2x plus 2? So one thing that we can immediately see is that the y-intercept of this graph is going to be 0, 2. But that doesn't help me because the y-intercept of all the 4 options is 0, 2. So we can try and convert this to the vertex form, because that way we'll be able to find the right answer. So how can I convert it into the vertex form? I can complete the squares, which is to say that I have x squared plus 2x, and this plus 2 I'll write as plus 1 plus 1. Because these three terms, x squared plus 2x plus 1, will become x plus 1 the whole square, and this plus 1 stays outside. Now this is in the vertex form of the parabola with the vertex at minus 1 comma 1, right? Because the vertex formula is a times x minus h whole square plus k. So h here would be negative 1 and k would be plus 1. And now we can see that minus 1 comma 1 is going to be option B. You can also verify this by figuring out the quadrant of the vertex. If I have minus 1 comma 1, it will have to be the second quadrant. In option A, the vertex is in the third quadrant. In option C, it's in the first quadrant. In option D, it's in the fourth quadrant. So the right answer is option B. Question 3. The equation for the function f is given above. Which of the following is an equivalent form of the function in which the coordinates of the vertex of f appear as constants or coefficients? So here again, we have been given the equation x squared minus 6x plus 8. And to convert it into the vertex form, because that's what the question is asking me to do, I will write this in the form x squared minus 2x into 3 plus 3 squared minus 3 squared plus 8. Why did I do this? I needed to write 6x as 2x into 3 because my formula for a minus b whole squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So only when I write it in the form of 2ab, which in this case will be 2x into 3, I would know what to add after for the square of b. and b in this case turns out to be 3. So I add the square of 3 and I subtract the square of 3, and 8 was already there. So these three terms, they become x minus 3 the whole squared. Minus 3 squared is minus 9 plus 8. So this becomes x minus 3 whole squared minus 1. And this is now in the vertex form, which we have discussed is given by a times x minus h whole squared plus k, with the vertex being 3, negative 1. So from the options, the vertex form of the parabola is option C.